wanted to do a little side-by-side comparison. So I had purchased the Derma E Vitamin C Instant Radiance Facial Peel. So I have something a little bit similar from Image, the Ageless Resurfacing Mask. This one's a little bit stronger, but I'm not going to leave it on the whole time. So they both have a blend of glycolic lactic. This one has their vitamin C. I'm going to do one on one side of my face, kind of like my other demos, and one on the other. So we'll do the Derma E on the left side and the Ageless, which is one of my favorite products ever, on the right side. But again, I usually do the Ageless in the shower and leave it on like 5 to 10 minutes. I'm only going to leave it on 3 minutes. So the Derma E is orange and it has a jojoba bead consistency, so a little granular. It says to apply it with the spatula that it comes with, so I don't know, let me try. It smells very citrusy. So I'm a little bit dry, not really that dry, but because I've been doing 0.5% retin-A every night. I just started that, so I'm going to see how it goes. I'm just going to use my fingers. And then both of them say to rinse, like rubbing it in with cool water. So the Ageless one is white and also a little granule. The granules in this one seem smaller, but I don't like to use the scrubby part of this mask. I really use it only for the acids. The Image one's a little bit more grainy, small grains. The Derma E one, it's chunkier. It has like a smoother consistency. The Derma E one to remove it, but also massage it in for 1 minute with the spatula, which is interesting. I just wanted to see if this was like a quick thing you could do in the morning before you were going somewhere, like so your makeup and skin would look like a little brighter. Since they're both like quick 3 to 5 minute treatment, you could even do in the shower. If you're going to a party, wedding, after dinner, on a date, if you have a work meeting. They both feel smooth. The Image one feels smoother. So the camera is like a little better light. They look pretty similar. I'm gonna go do my makeup. The Image side is a lot smoother, but this side it's pretty smooth, just not as smooth. So we'll do my makeup and then we'll see. So I want to do a quick follow-up. It's like the end of the day, how my makeup is and everything after doing the Ageless on this side of my face. And then the Derma E one on this side of my face. So they're pretty comparable. The Image side is a lot smoother than the Derma E side, but overall like they look pretty much the same. And I think, you know, obviously the Image one is more expensive. I like the Image one better, but again, like all the trials I've done so far, the products that I've tried are not horrible. So I would recommend it as an option if you don't have the Image one, or you don't want to spend as much money on the Image one. So this one's pretty good. I will insert the pictures that I took earlier in the day, but now it's like the end of the day and I'm like a mess. But anyway, All right, so watch out for my other videos on new things that I tried, but overall, I am a fan of this Derma E if you're looking for inexpensive products. They are okay. Talk to you soon.